BLDV right now at 0039. You guys are hitting that resistance level. It's not going to be too big of a resistance level, but one that's going to be based off of 5.8 that we've seen right here. Let's see what I said over on the 8th. The 8th is going to put us at, let me see if I can figure it out. There we go. Right here at this red. At that red, I said could go sideways here to the 10-day simple moving average. Again, that was going to be up there at that top at the 49. Go back and check that video. Looks like it was a pretty decent call. You guys did come down, tapped that 10-day, followed through, and broke through there today. Having a little bit of a hard time getting it back above it at that 4.0. And that's where the resistance is going to be. Resistance at that 5.056 before. Support at 4.0 and 3.0 and 2.3 to follow up. And you guys got pretty darn close down to that level off of that previous close over here on the April 28th. With that being said, I'm going to continue to hold that 3.0 as a support level, followed up underneath there by the 2.6. 18 after that, if you're curious, which would be the 30-day simple moving average. With that being said, if you guys can't break above that 40, very good possibility you will trend back down to there in the next few days. If that buying pressure doesn't pick up, but don't lose hope, because it does look like down here, the volume is definitely trying to come back into this one. It's going to be a good sign, right? So watch for this maybe go down to the 20-day simple moving average, and then from there, bounce up. Might not look exactly like that. Could go something close to that, but that's what we're going to be watching for with this one. BLDV, let it cool out. If that buying pressure doesn't pick up, very good chance it could go down to a 20-day simple moving average. 3.9.
All right, so with these guys right here, they since the last time I went over it with you, which was what, 5.3, they had after I already went over it, they had Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated expands governing board. So they had a press release on that, and it was let's see. So on May 3rd, Blue Diamond Ventures announces that the company has expanded its board of directors. So Jonathan P. Alper, Chairman and CEO of Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated, is proud to announce the appointments of Steve McMarrow and Jonathan P. Alper as directors of BLDV. Steve is currently president of Clean First LLC, the providers of specialized cleaning and antimicrobial treatments for the cannabis industry under the name Cannabis Clean. Jonathan Alper is currently manager of Blue Diamond Consultant LLC and principal of Alper and Associates Consulting. Mr. Alper is a licensed landscape architect and is currently providing the company with master planning and project construction management services for the Michigan Growth Fund. So Jonathan and Steve have demonstrated their commitment to BLDV. Having them represent us in this official capacity will improve our operations by leveraging their skills, said Joshua B. Alper, CEO of Blue Diamond Ventures. So Josh and Steve will be also attending the Marijuana Daily Exposition and conference being held in Washington, D.C. on May 16th in 2017, or May 16th and 17th in Washington, D.C. So it says, I am excited to join the board of Blue Diamond. Josh and I have been building out Clean First LLC Cannabis Clean project for over 2 years, explained Steve McMarrow. I think that the BLDV involvement has allowed us to combine his vision with our expertise in servicing the market. So Jonathan B. Alper is traveling to Israel on Thursday, May 5th, as an official representative of BLDV. Mr. Alper will be meeting with government officials and current and prospective clients to fully understand the logistics of importing and exporting cannabis products to and from Israel. I've done business in Israel for over 40 years, said Alper. Regulatory compliance is key. We will now start to coordinate our efforts with Health Canada and the Israel Health Ministries Cannabis Unit. So on March 28, 2017, Joshua P. Alpert, CEO of Blue Diamond, will be returning to Israel to conduct the next round of meetings on the technology and science side. We have the MJ Daily on May 16th, the Lift Show in Toronto on May 26th, and then back to Israel on May 28th, says Josh. The timing could not be better. So that's that. So a little about the company. It says Blue Diamond Ventures seeks to partner with individuals and companies that share a common synergy, mission, and vision to enable products, services that are produced delivered and consumed utilizing fewer natural resources, providing a sustainable alternative to traditional products on the market today. As a diversified customer-centric management holding company, Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated seeks opportunities in various markets and is driven by critical thinking and the scientific method. So then they got About Clean First LLC. That right there is Clean First LLC is revolutionizing the way companies look at clean. The company is headquartered in Denver, Colorado, where it offers its specialized janitorial services to the cannabis industry. So that's that. That's the latest update of the company. So if you want to do more due diligence on the company, just go right over to the BLDV board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time in sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily, and by posting right over there on that Blue Diamond Ventures board on Investors Hangout.
And that's right. Over here at 0039 for BLDV. That's where we start looking at it. You guys did get above that 10-day simple moving average, which is currently at 004. Again, a close above that would definitely be a great sign. If not, the volume continues to slow down. You could go down to the 10-day. But right now, it is 2:15, just about 2:15 p.m. Eastern time. So you still have a little bit of time left in trading and to close above that 10-day. So we're watching that bounce right here. Hopefully it does hold that. If it does get above that 10-day simple moving average, it will continue to rally. In my personal opinion, at least, BLDV, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And to support us, get out there and share this video with all other investors. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will cover it. You can share it on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. That'd be great. Or you can check us out live. InvestorsHangout.com/live is where you would go to let us know about these hot stocks while we cover them live.